how to post multiple pictures on Instagram. In order to do that, click on this plus icon right here on the bottom, click on this recents right here, and then select the photos. Now you can see right here that I have my photo. Click on the select multiple right. So let's click on that. And as you can see, we now have this number for this one. So if you want to add more, just click on the picture that you want. And as you can see, it will be added as 2. So that will serve as their sequence when you post them. So I'll head over and then put some more, 3, 4, 5. And then this will be the sequence. Once you're satisfied, just head over and click on this next option right here. Now I can also edit out these particular pictures. Now once you edit them out, click on the next. And then in here you can see this. So here's a sequence. This is the first picture, the second picture, third, fourth, and fifth. Just write a caption, location, tag people or music, then head over and click on share right here in order to share this post. So that's how you post multiple pictures on Instagram. Hope we helped.